Ankara'dan mutlu akşamlar. YouTube platformunun İngilizce B2 seviyesinin 6. dersine hoş geldiniz. Many Black yine ekranlarda. Eğitmenler birazdan sizlerle birlikte olacak. Bu ders bizim için çok önemli. Haydi başlayalım. Hakim düdüğüyle şahdaki ekranlarda. Go ahead.
Hello my dear students, welcome to Many Black channel. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, like and press the bell icon. Today we are going to teach you should have, could have and would have plus verb 3. You have already seen in tenses, but this is important. That's why we put this lesson as a separate lesson. So should we start? Ashkan?
Yes.
Come over.
How are you today, man?
I'm good.
Good to see you. Good to see you. Evet arkadaşlar, Many Black kanalına hoş geldiniz. Lütfen abone olmayı ve bildirim butonlarınızı açmayı unutmayınız. Arkadaşlar bugün sizlerle modals'ları, fakat bu modals'ların past'ta yani geçmiş zamanda nasıl kullanıldığını göreceğiz. Geçmişte olması ya da olmaması gereken yapıları bizler should have, could have, would have ile yapıyoruz arkadaşlar. Şimdi dersimize başlayalım. Şarek.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Okay, so as you say, should have, could have, would have plus verb 3. Verb 3 means past participle. So we will start with should have. So you put should have plus verb 3. So the first one, the positive, how you make? Subject plus should have plus verb 3 plus object. Example, I should have listened to my mother.
Perfect. Arkadaşlar modals'ların past yani geçmişte nasıl kullandıklarına göz atacağız. Should have artı verb 3 kalıbını kullanıyoruz. Örneğimize bakalım arkadaşlar. I should have listened to my mother. Ben annemi dinlemeliydim. Fakat dinlemedim yapısı. Go ahead.
Yes, and the negative, subject plus should not have plus verb 3 plus object. Example, he should not have told her anything.
Perfect. Arkadaşlar olumsuz yapısına göz atalım. İlk olarak özne. Arkasından shouldn't oluyor. Have artı fiilin 3. hali, arkasından nesne. Örneğimize bakalım. He shouldn't have told her anything. Ya da he should not have told her anything. Şarek. Go ahead.
And how we make question, should plus, or if you are making negative as a question, you can add should not. So should plus subject plus have plus verb 3 plus object plus question mark. So should you have called her first?
Gracias señor, gracias. Evet arkadaşlar, soru kalıbına bakalım. Should bu sefer cümlenin başına geliyor. Arkasından özne, have, fiilin 3. hali, nesne, son olarak en önemlisi soru işaretini koymayı kesinlikle ve kesinlikle unutmuyoruz arkadaşlar. Örneğimize bakalım. Should you have called her first and then question mark. That's it.
Yes.
Shall I go ahead?
The most important thing is that when we use this, when you are making past decision, in the past you made some decision and you wanted to talk about this, you use should have plus verb 3.
Perfect. Arkadaşlar videonun başında söylediğim gibi günlük hayatınızda fakat geçmişte olması gereken ya da olmaması gereken eylemlerde, cümlelerde bizler bu kalıbı kullanıyoruz. Şarek.
Yeah.
What is the next?
Next, we are going to teach them could have plus would have.
Let's do it. Evet arkadaşlar, past modals'lara could have plus fiilin 3. haliyle devam ediyoruz arkadaşlar. Go ahead.
Yes. So you see should have, now it's time to say could have.
Yep.
So could have plus verb 3. So how you make positive? Subject plus could have plus verb 3 plus object. Example.
Morena, bo. Yes, I'm okay.
I could have been a cowboy.
Evet arkadaşlar, could have kuralına bakalım. Özne, could have, arkasından fiilin 3. hali ve nesne arkadaşlar. I could have been a cowboy. Cowboy olabilirdim ama canım istemedi, olmadım kardeşim. Go ahead, Şarek. I love it. Go ahead.
Okay, how to make negative? Subject plus could not have plus verb 3 plus object. Example, he could not have known about the story.
Evet arkadaşlar, olumsuz formuna göz atalım. Özne couldn't have, fiilin her zaman üçüncü hali nesne. Örneğimize bakalım. He couldn't have known about the story. Go ahead.
And the question, could plus subject plus have plus verb 3 plus object plus question mark. Example, could he have known about the story before it was published?
Perfect. Evet arkadaşlar, soru formuna bakalım. Could başa geldi, arkasından özne. Have fiilin üçüncü hali, nesne, arkasından en önemli şey question mark. Yani soru işareti. Cümlemize bakalım arkadaşlar. Could he have known about the story before it was published? And question mark.
Yes.
That's it. Shall I go ahead?
And the uses, when we use it, this is very important. We always
Yes.
keep telling. So possible but did not happen. The situation was possible but it did not happen, or maybe you did not want it.
That's it. So, Sharik, what is the next?
Next we're gonna teach them would have.
Evet arkadaşlar, son past modals'ımız would have ile devam ediyoruz. Go ahead. Evet arkadaşlar, son past modals'ımız would have ile devam ediyoruz. Would have ne demektir? Arkadaşlar, geçmişte dediğim gibi videonun başında yapacaktım fakat bir şey mani oldu, bu yüzden yapamadım. Yapıları için bizler bunu kullanıyoruz arkadaşlar. Şarek,
Yes.
go ahead.
Ya aşkın sen Türkçe nasıl öğrendi ya?
What do you mean, man? Just
Turkish is good.
yeah, thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's move on the topic. So, would have plus verb 3. Subject plus would have plus verb 3 plus object. So, example, I would have told you if I had known.
Evet arkadaşlar, ilk olarak özneyle başlıyoruz. Arkasından would have, fiilin üçüncü hali ve nesne. Örneğimize bakalım. I would have told you if I had known. Bilseydim sana söyleyecektim. Fakat söyleyemedim. Bir şey bana mani oldu. Şarek,
Yes.
go ahead.
And the negative. Subject plus would not have plus verb 3 plus object. Example, he would not have won the election without her support.
Perfect. Subject özne, arkasından olumsuzluk wouldn't have, fiilin üçüncü hali, arkasından nesne. He wouldn't have won the election without her support. Şarek, go
And
ahead
the
with question. Yep.
Would plus subject plus have plus verb 3 plus object plus question mark.
Perfect. This is
Example.
so important, right, buddy?
Yeah, it's very important.
It
Because
is.
this is question, you know.
Yep, that's right.
So example, would you have one election, or would you have one is also fine
Yep.
without her support.
Perfect. Arkadaşlar, soru kalıbına bakalım. Would soru kalıplarında olduğu gibi başa geliyor arkadaşlar. Örneğimize bakalım. Would, arkasından özne subject, arkasından have, fiilin her zaman üçüncü hali, arkasından nesne ve soru işareti. Örneğe bakalım. Would you have won without her support?
Yes.
Shall I go ahead?
And when we use it, when you talk about past but you regret it, then you use would. Sorry, would. You use would have plus verb 3.
Perfect.
So, as you see, should have, would have, and could have. So, should have you use when you talk about your past decision. Could have you use when there is a chance but you did not do it. And would have you use when you regret about the decision you took in the past.
Evet arkadaşlar, gördüğünüz gibi should have, could have, would have modaslarını pas halinde gördünüz. Yani bunlar ne demekti? Yapacaktım, yapmalıydım, yapabilirdim gibi yapıları bizler bu moduslarla kullanıyoruz arkadaşlar. Sizlere kurallarını da öğrettik. Şimdi de what's the next?
We will give some examples.
Yes, şimdi de arkadaşlar örneklerle devam ediyoruz. Go ahead. Evet arkadaşlar, past moduslara örneklerle devam ediyoruz. Şöyle go ahead.
Yes, as you say, should have, could have, would have. Also you see when to use it. Now it's time to say some examples.
Go ahead.
So, first, you could have played better.
You could have played better. Sen daha iyi oynayabilirdin. Go ahead.
He should not have listened to the teacher.
He should have listened to the teacher. Öğretmeni dinlemeliydin. O sorry about that. O öğretmeni dinlemeliydi. Go ahead.
And the third, she could have taken the flight.
She could have taken the flight. Go ahead.
Another, I would have taken some juice.
I would have taken some juice. Go ahead.
The last one, they should not have listened to them.
Last one. They shouldn't have listened to them. Go ahead, Sharek. What's the next?
No, I think it's done.
Okay.
This lesson is done. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much, guys.
If you have any question, please let us know, and please don't forget to share, subscribe, like and press the bell icon, and see you in the next lesson.
Perfect. Evet arkadaşlar, dersimizin sonuna gelmiş bulunmaktayız. İzlediğiniz için çok teşekkür ederiz. Lütfen abone olmayı ve bildirim butonlarınızı açmayı unutmayınız. Have a nice day.